All right, YouTube, this is Rogue Powersports coming to you with another X3 build. So we have a customer, this is a 19 X3 Max XRS in a Platinum. It's originally a 172 car. It should have a few more horsepower once we're done with it. It'll also have quite a bit more suspension underneath it. We're going all through it and putting all brand new S3 Powersports front and rear suspension, and then having MTS do their shock and revalve, or spring and revalve, excuse me, kit to this car. We're having it done by our local dealer for MTS, which is 106 Motorsports. Big shout out to them. They coming through for us. Just giving you a quick walk around of basically what the car looked like, or it does look like right now. This is 100% bone stock. The customer's got a bunch of Can-Am factory accessories and some aftermarket wheels and tires. That's about it. He's got PCI radio system. We just hooked him up with that this year since we're now a dealer for PCI, so definitely recommend those radios. See if you can get a shot of what that looks like in there with those, and then did the headset unit. And he's all ready to go. And then, yeah, we'll show you what we got in S3 stuff here in a minute. We'll get all that laid out and, yeah, go from there. Just kind of wanted to walk around the car a few times, see what it looked like before we get everything taken off of it. So, does have a Can-Am glass windshield with wiper kit, synthetic rope winch, and the XRC bumper. Big fan of that one just because it's so clean. Cool. All right, we'll get everything laid out here for the S3 stuff and start the build.